Hey, hello guys, welcome to Radix Update channel. So, without any further delay, let's begin. Have you guys heard about the HTML tag before? Yes or no? HTML tag. So, see, first I will be starting with the basic structure of the HTML. Okay, HTML. What you have to write? HTML. Inside that, you will be having the two tags. One is head tag, and another one is body tag. Okay, and inside the head tag, you will be having something that is called as the title tag. So this is nothing but your basic structure of the HTML. Okay, fine. What I want to say one more thing. Since you're using VS Code, okay, you'll be having one shortcut. What is that shortcut? You need to hit on Shift and click one, and then you need to press Enter. Okay, you'll be having this HTML structure. So you guys may be having a confusion. What do you mean by the doc type HTML? What do you mean by doc type HTML? Doc type HTML means it shows that the version we are using, that is nothing but HTML5 we are using. Okay, fine. So first let me introduce you about the heading tag. Okay, heading tag and the paragraph tag in this video. Okay, what do you mean by heading tag? See, total we are having these six heading tag, that is h1, h2, h3, h4, h5 and h6, where h1 is greatest of all the things. Okay, h1, h2, okay, h3, h4, h5, h6. Done. Okay, this is the h1. Okay, this is h1. Okay, this is the h2. This is the h3, h4, h5, h6. I guess this is more than sufficient you guys to understand. Fine. Okay. Done. Here always. Okay. Not only in this structure of HTML. H1 is always greatest of all. Either you can use this inside the article tag, or you guys can use this in any paragraph tag also. Okay, you will be having h1 is greatest of all, next is h2. See, the flow goes like this. Okay, h1 is greater than h2, is greater than h3, is greater than h4, greater than h5, is greater than h6. Always and always like this only. Okay, fine. So this is not the right way to teach you, like showing the like h1 is greater than h2. No, you cannot write like this and all. Okay, but it is easier for you guys to understand. Just memorize. Okay, h1 is greater than h2, h2 is greater than h3. Always, whether you can put it inside the article tag, or you can put it inside the paragraph tag. Okay, have you guys heard about the article tag before? Article tag. Article tag is nothing but it is one of the container. Okay, it's not, you can't see much difference in this. Okay, okay, the same thing, right? What is the difference? Nothing much more difference. It is just like for you guys to understand. Yeah, this is one of the, I will put it inside one container. Okay, in order to make me identify it later on, I will put it inside the article tag. Okay, you can use the article tag over there. Okay, have you guys heard about the paragraph tag before? Paragraph tag. Paragraph tag begins with where is, what do you mean by paragraph tag? Paragraph tag means it starts with the p tag, right? It is identified using the p tag. I will create one dummy tag, lorem 16, let it be. Okay, it will create such a big one. Okay, Fine. This is nothing but your paragraph tag. Next, let us learn about the subscript and superscript. Okay. Have you guys heard about the formula of water? Okay. Formula of water. What is the formula of water? Formula of water is H2O. Right. But you guys need to understand which tag I need to put it over here. Is this a correct way to write H2O? No. So I will be using one tag, that is what happens. Is this correct way? No. Then what is the correct way? One is subscript tag, another one is superscript tag. You need to try, right? See, first of all, you need to know what you mean by subscript tag, what you mean by superscript tag. Okay, for both also, I will be providing you the explanation. Okay, see, H2, put the superscript tag. Sorry, subscript tag. Is this fine? Okay. Next, another one is there, no? That is nothing but E equal to MC square. MC square. What I need to put here? Superscript tag, right? I'll be using the super. I hope you can see the difference. This is simple, nothing much explanation is needed. Okay, MC square. But see, it continues, right? See why it continues here. I need to provide in the next line, right? What I can use? I can use the break tag. If I use the break tag, it comes in the next line. Fine. Okay. Now this is over. Next, another one is there. That is what you can say, abbreviation. Have you guys heard about the abbreviation before? Abbreviation, I guess you guys have not heard it before. Okay, so okay, abbreviation, I will write it as for the abbreviation, World Health Organization. World Health Organization. Okay, that is nothing but your WHO. What does it do? Okay, again I need to put it here, break tag. Again break tag I need to put. Okay, now see here. Whenever I click this WHO, it will show you the full form of World Health Organization. Fine, this is over. Next, have you guys heard about the mark tag? What do you mean mark tag? For example, see, I will use the mark tag. Okay. For example, I am studying HTML. Fine, I'm studying HTML. I will mark this up. What I will use? I will be using something that is called as the mark tag. Fine. Now see here you can see I'm using the mark tag. Fine. I'm using the mark tag. Fine. This is over. Next. That is why I have used here mark tag. Fine. Okay. I can use this inside the H2 also. Okay. H2 also. Fine. This is over. Next. So we have studied till H1, that is heading tag and paragraph tag, subscript, superscript, abbreviation, and H2. That is heading tag also we have studied. One more thing we need to study. That is one thing is what is that? Let us study about the which is remaining now. Like the most important I was about to say, that is code tag. Okay, code tag I will stay saying you. So we use system dot out dot println in Java. Okay, in Java we will be using. Let me place it over here. Okay, in Java. Okay, now which is the code? Have you guys heard about the monospace font? We need to write it in the monospace font only. The code, whatever the coding keyword is there, no, we need to use. Okay. Now, how what you can see the difference here? System.out.println, right? So that is over. Next, another one is deleted text. Okay, what do you mean by that? For example, um, see, for example, text. What does it do? It will strike it off. Okay. For example, let me say old price. Okay, old price is 100 rupees. Okay, now it is 60 rupees. Or let me tell it as 80 rupees. Okay, I need to strike this off. Okay, how I will be doing? I will be inserting the delete tag here. In Amazon or some other, like in Flipkart and all, you can see, right, there is something that is the price that is striked off. Why? Because if there is any discount, they will say, because that let us know that, oh, other day it will be other day it will be the cost will be this much, but now due to the discount or due to festival seasons, we are getting the amount in through the discount. Okay, we are getting it in the lesser amount. So that shows, because why it is used, because it is striked off, right? For that we need to use the delete tag. Okay. Okay, so here I need to use the break tag. Okay, now it is 80. Did you understand? In some other e-commerce website like Amazon, Flipkart, and all, if there is any festival, okay, you will be able to see that the price will be like, for example, if it is a New Year or if it is any other festival, you will be seeing the other day the price will be so much, but now the price is reduced, right? Because how we will be able to know the other day it was so much and so price, because it is striked off. And for that, for in the development purpose and all, in through HTML we are using the delete tag. Okay, delete tag. Next, have you guys heard about the bold, italic, and underline tag? Okay, bold, italic, and underline tag, let me say. mm, Lorem 16. I will be making this as bold. What I will be using for bold tag, B will be using. Okay, this is very very simple and very very easy to remember also. B. Okay, fine. B, bold. See here, you can see it is bold. Okay, similarly, if I want to do it italic, what I will do, instead of that I will be putting I. Now this is italic. If I want to put underline, okay, what I will doing, it is underline. Okay, done. One more thing is there. What is that? That is nothing but the strong. Okay, what do you mean by strong? Okay, what do you mean by strong? What do you mean by strong? It shows like it is bold only, but it adds some of the additional importance. Okay, it will add some of the strong importance. Okay, fine. Next, another one is there, that is nothing but emphasis. Okay, what do you mean emphasize text? What do you mean by emphasize text? For example, see here, formula of water. Okay, mm, where I will put? I will put some other paragraph here. Okay, okay. See here, emphasize means I will putting here at it as em. Fine, em. What you can see here, emphasized, right? Uh, em. Okay. Here you can see em. Okay, what does it mean? This is nothing but your emphasized text. Means it adds emphasis to your text. Okay, means italic by default. Fine. Next, mark is over. Subscript, superscript is over. Next, one more thing, delete is over. Next, abbreviation is over. Next, one more thing is there. That is nothing but your italic. Okay, what do you mean by that? I will say. Okay, italic is also done, right? Okay, next is one of the inline quotations. See, for example, um, I will challenge you. Like you need to display like this. How you will be displaying? Wait 1 second. Okay. Okay. Fine. So I will be saying you need to display. Okay, you need to display what you know. You just need to display me like this. Hello. Okay, but you can use this like this. Okay, other way to write this thing is how you can write. You can use something that is called without using this thing. See, other way to write this is other way to write. How you can write in another way? You can use the inline quotation. This is one of the tag. Okay, inline quotation, or you can say, see, does this look same? Does this look same? Whether it is same or no, see here. Okay, fine. Okay, next let us learn about footer tag. Have you guys heard about the footer tag before? Have you guys heard about the footer tag before? Okay, see. Okay, see.